how you can fix Hik-Connect Playback not working. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, check if your phone is connected to the internet. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your signal is weak, the playback won't work. Now, open the Hik-Connect app and see if your camera or DVR is online. If it says offline, your device might be turned off or not connected. Sometimes there is no video for the time you picked, so try choosing a different date and time on the playback screen. Next, check if your DVR or NVR is set to record. If it's not set to record all the time or when it sees motion, there won't be any video saved. Then, make sure your app is updated. Go to your app store and install the latest version of Hik-Connect. Old apps can stop working right. If it still doesn't work, try using another phone, or uninstall the app and install it again. This fresh install can fix the problem. And that's it. That's how you can fix Hik-Connect Playback not working.